Hey there, soup lovers! Are you feeling under the weather with a nasty cold or flu? Well, have no fear, because today, we have the ultimate chicken noodle soup recipe just for you. First things first, let's start with the star of the show, the chicken. It's important to use bone-in chicken thighs for maximum flavor. This will give your soup a robust taste that will soothe your soul. Next up, we've got the aromatic veggies. Sweat some onions, carrots, and celery in a pot until they're nice and tender. The smell is intoxicating. Now, let's add some homemade chicken broth. It's simple to make and much healthier than store-bought alternatives. Just simmer your chicken bones with water, garlic, and some herbs for a couple of hours. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. Once your broth is ready, strain it and pour it into the pot with the veggies. Add in your chicken thighs and let them simmer away until they're cooked through and tender. This will infuse your soup with all that wonderful chicken flavor. Last but certainly not least, the noodles. Whether you prefer thick and hearty or thin and delicate, choose your favorite style and cook them separately. This will ensure they don't become mushy. Now it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Remove the chicken thighs from the pot and shred them into bite-sized pieces. Return the chicken back to the pot and add the cooked noodles. Season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs. And there you have it, folks, the best chicken noodle soup recipe for those pesky colds and flus. It's a warm and comforting hug in a bowl that'll help you on your way to recovery. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious tips and tricks. Stay warm and healthy, everyone.